Hello and welcome back to another Game Guru tutorial. This is about using the transport feature. I've been asked to do this, well not asked to do this, but asked to sort out some code for it, so I thought I'd do a video while I was looking at it. Basically, the person who wanted some help with this wanted to be able to destroy something, so I've put a barrel down that's explodable, put a wind zone down there, and he wants it when you shoot that it'll transport you to the wind zone. So this is how you do it. Now obviously if this wind zone's miles away, you probably have to turn off the distance, because you'll have to run all the time, but at the minute it's just as default. I haven't messed around with any of that sort of stuff. So you only have to set it to run all the time if it's miles away from the object, because it turns it off basically for performance reasons otherwise. So let's get into it. Go to the properties of this. Dear me, the text looks terrible at this rate. I've put in a script called destroyObjectTransport.lua. That basically detects if you shot it. And in the wind zone, I've put in a script called WindZoneDestroyActivate.lua, and that basically checks to see whether you've destroyed the object and moves you to it. I'll run it. Right, so there we go. I've got a nice barrel. I'll shoot that. Boop, on there, and it's triggered the level. Simple as that. Obviously you've got to see the code, yeah, but the code's simple. Right, there we go. 2 bits of code. That's the one, well, this one here is the one that's on the wind zone, and this one here is the one that's on the barrel. So we'll start with the barrel. You've got item destroyed equals 0. That just sets it up, and because you put it before the two functions, it's automatically a global, so this one knows what it is. But I put it there as well, simply because you never know which order these are going to load in, or how someone's going to set it up. So it makes sure that it knows what item destroyed is in both bits of code. I've basically put a check here to see if the health is less or equal to 0, then the item's destroyed. That flag is then set so that you can actually check it from within here, and that's simple as that. That's done. And in here, it's basically, if it checks if it's destroyed, then it moves you to the freeze position, which it sets there, and it just flags it so it doesn't keep you stuck in the freeze position at 2. And then that checks if it's 2, and you don't even need this, but you might want to set it to 3 or something and have to do something else or whatever before you jump to the level. This just automatically jumps you straight to the level when you do it. So yeah, that item destroyed flag there controls these bits of code, and it just transports you to it, and then jumps to the if used level if you've set it in the editor. So properties, if used, and you put the name of your level in there. I haven't made a level, but level 2 or something, just level 2, and it'll go to level 2. And that's it, simple as that. I'll include the actual code snippets when I post it up on the forums, just to make it easier for you. But it's, like I say, it's a tiny bit of code. But for those who haven't got a clue how to code, I'll do those snippets and put them up. So until next time, I'll catch you later.